Have you ever thought about how to sign up for Telegram without using your phone number? I'm Luke, and today I'll give you the answer. First, open Telegram, and you will see that the very first thing it asks for is a phone number. But what if we don't want to enter our personal phone number? In that case, we can simply download this app, open the App Store, and search for Google Voice. It's the second option with the green phone as the icon. Click on install, and when you have it installed, open the application. Once you sign in, the app will automatically generate a phone number for you. You can use this number to register on Telegram, and the verification code will be sent directly to Google Voice. So there is nothing complicated about it. Just make sure you don't forget your Google Voice number, or you won't be able to access your account. And that's it. So if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tschüss.